Hey Tamira, it's Devin again. Thank you so much for talking to me on the phone and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you three things you can do really easily so you can start beating comfortable air when somebody types in air duct cleaning San Antonio because they're number one. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago a lot of business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners do this stuff themselves, and some of them call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help as many business owners as I can. I'm going to talk to you about three things: content, backlinks, and citation. First off, your website's a really great looking website. I like the photos you've chosen, and I just really like the design of it. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you could read. And they want to see about 2,000 words on your homepage. So the average website has on the front page of Google. You can only have 1,137. And if you go over to San Antonio Air Duct Clean, I think you're actually beating them. So that's one thing you have over them, but you're still not considered an authority. I would make sure you get yourself to that 2,000 word mark. You also want to put keywords like this inside of your content. So I know you have it like right here. You can also save your images as that. So you have that kind of similar here. So you're on the right path with this kind of stuff. The biggest thing I'd recommend is just making sure that you use this more than just one time. I'd put it maybe, a couple times in your paragraphs. And then I'd also make sure you get to 2,000 words of content. Now, being you know about this, you probably know about backlinks already. And if you don't, just as a primer, it's when another website is linking to you, and Google likes this because they're kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for you, but they want to see relevant websites. So if you have other air duct cleaning websites linking to you, it looks a lot better than having like a pizza company linking to you. You're not, they know you don't sell pizzas. So the tool you use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It says you currently have 26 websites linking to you. If you go look over at San Antonio Air Duct Clean, they only have 5 websites linking to them. The reason being is their websites are a lot more powerful than yours are, because they're from more trustworthy websites. So like the websites they're getting a lot of their power from are like Yellow Pages, everyone knows that, Yahoo, and then obviously Austin. So it's relative, right? It's in Texas as well. If you go over and look at yours, a lot of these websites are like random directories that no one's ever heard of before. So it's one of the reasons you're not ranking. But all you have to do is copy them. These same websites they have linking to them, go get them linking to you as well. And the last thing is, if you want to end up in the map pack, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List. So I would figure out what directories America Air was in. I'd put or Air Duct Cleaning Services. I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, Tamira. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on your homepage. You're going to want to make sure you copy these guys' links and throw them onto your page as well. And then you want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than America Air Duct Cleaning Services. If you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become number one across Google. So I recommend you get started on this right away because it does take time to implement all this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner it starts working for you. If you have any more questions, or if you don't really have the time to do it and you want someone to take care of it for you, my phone number's down at the bottom right. Give me a call anytime. I'd be glad to help you out. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.